Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, February the 25th, 2022. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Two regular Sudokus, but also we have in this newspaper it's back again. I believe come on the additional with 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve, and I will solve these two regular Sudokus. Well, the news of today, war in Europe. Yes, the Battle of Kyiv is right now on the news. The Battle of Kyiv, almost conquered by the Russians. Well, the situation there is not so good. We are living in the 21st century, so I don't understand that there is a war here. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. Puzzle number 4176. 4176. 4176. It's a Sudoku Light. Sudoku Light with 36 printed digits. Each big square, we have 9 big squares with 4 printed digits. 9 times 4 printed digits, 36 printed digits. Well, should be easier than the 1 star puzzle with 27 printed digits if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, with 1 star you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one in 12 minutes or 30 minutes. We will see. So, let's get started with this Sudoku Light. Let me scan this puzzle. I think a lot of fours. A lot of ones. Let me start with the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, there are 2 places left for the 1, should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Okay. All right. Let me see. Let me continue with the 2 then. The 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. Okay. The 2 in the last column. The 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row. We have a 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. We have a 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Yeah, digit number 2. Then. How about? Let me continue with the 3 then. We have a 3 in this column. We have a 3 in a column next. So on the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So on the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. We have a 3 in the third column, a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. And now, let me see. Ooh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, let me continue with the 4 then. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And oh, the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Okay. All right. Then, how about? Well, it will be difficult. Oh, with the 5. Let me try with the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Then, now it will be difficult. Because now I cannot continue with the 5. Well. Yeah. Yeah, I cannot continue with the 5. Let me go to the 6 then. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Okay. Still, I cannot fill the 5s here. Okay. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Okay, 1 number left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. Okay. Let me see. Almost finished. 1 box left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. All right. Here we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Two final numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. A 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, should be faster than 15 minutes. Took a little bit longer. Talk too much. But I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. Before I leave, before I leave, these Santa boxes, I'm interested. I'm analyzing those almost 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. I think I will gather all the collecting all the data. Maybe for if I collect it for 3 months, half year, then I will share it with you. But here we have 278, 278, 915, 915, 347, 347, and here we have the 7 as a pair. One pair. All right, one pair. Great. Thank you for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds the second regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku. How heavy, I do not know. So see you later. Bye bye for now.